I bring warm greetings to our media person on behalf of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee will be giving a press conference taken by the Hill Area Committee on ABC election. Next, we have Sri Victor Kaising and Working President MPCC. Next, President of NSUI Manipur State, Victor Kaising, Sri Samal Jendai.
Writ appeal ki order to the clearly high caretaker yade na high caretaker amma hapasi yade high amma hapasi yade na high kramutung the hujiti kunamuk hap game na high reabside kari language maming di change to ba court na caretaker yadav na committee amma shem raga mi trani pan hapse plus nominee ani hap raga mi kun hapse na high rise sidi languages halabani sidi court bo khangde respect leitabra court gi order du yaning dabra kari lebra de khangde kuise adubu sibudi yaro on top of that over and above that mi trani pan hap kniebse plus government nominee ani mi kun kari basis da hap tori bano kana na khandori bano asi gi detail amadu su leitaba tam na resolution dare mi kun hap se adudum loi adu di yaroi